Hello everyone. This day we gonna coloring the drawing. Let's start it. This is B because B is my friend. Let's draw and coloring this code. We gonna be the blue. And next grass is green. The green and the stone is gray color. Next, here the bee get the stone. The head is color yellow. Okay, yellow and another the stone is orange. And the half body is black. Yeah. This you gotta do, man. Yeah, let's do the picture. Okay, another picture. Balls. Okay, balls in the beach. Yeah, this is the ball in the beach. We started. This sun is yellow color. Another, yes. The sky is blue. Yes, another coat. We give the green, your green. Okay. The snail is gonna be. Okay, the red, pink or pink. Yes. Okay, another this red and. Okay, where is the sand? Another, yes, the yellow for the ball, yes, and green again. Come on, guys, okay, just look. Okay, stay away, don't go. Yeah, this is blue color. And the sea, the water sea is blue, okay? It's gonna be fun, okay? This is great for the sand. There's another draw. Okay, let's start it. Okay, this is Kitty. Kitty with singing. Okay, last the coloring. Yeah. The start now is the hair. Maybe hair or star? Yes. No, that's me. Yeah. Me and I know this is art. Okay, yeah, this hair is pink, yellow. Yeah, hair first. In the mid is gray. Yeah. Let's coloring the star is green. This yellow. Sorry. Yellow and another the background we give. No. Yeah. This is the state. Pink. Okay. And another fit. The red. Okay. This face. Gonna frame, okay? And then the background maybe or the eyes, you can guess. Yeah, the eyes is blue. We give blue, okay? Another blue, not bad. Yeah. And now we give color for the background. Okay? We started. Yes. Pink for the background. Yeah, this is red. Okay, it's finished. Are you enjoy, guys? There's the next picture. Okay, this is I'm gonna to choose a bird maybe. Okay. Let's start. This is bird. We're gonna give color word. You can guess. Yes, this is bird. color do you like me? Ha ha ha. Okay, let's start coloring. No, too. Hey, who are you? Okay, the star we're gonna be coloring. Yeah, the tree. We're gonna be the black color. And the mouth of bird we're gonna yellow. The body is green. Okay. And another, yes, green again. Yeah, green, like the Hulk. Ha 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 ha. We change mine. Okay, this yellow or young green. Okay, this is perfect. Maybe yes. Okay, this is peacock bird. You know that? Yeah. We gonna do. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.